Hello everyone, I'm Efe from Trilitech, working as a product manager gaming, as most of you already know by now. So today I'm with Brandon, and we will be playing a round of BattleTabs where he will walk us through the game. All right, let's do it, Brandon. I'm
Okay.
ready. I'm ready for this.
Great.
Okay, should I just play and you can maybe give me some tips when I'm playing it? How do you think?
Yeah,
Should
that
I just
sounds
start
good.
exploring?
That sounds good. Why don't you go to battles first?
Of course.
Oh no, that's
That's
going to be
the
a long
previous
battle.
test. Okay.
So start a new battle. So there are two different modes. One is
All right.
long battles where each turn can take up to 24 hours.
Mhm.
Obviously, we don't want to do that here. So if we go to
Yeah,
start
I
a new
mean,
battle,
it could be a bit long, you know.
yeah,
Start a new battle.
and then do the short battle.
Short one.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Then we will be searching for a worthy opponent. Okay, while we're waiting for it, can you tell us more? Oh, it was. All right.
So you can use your default fleet. So you've got your 4 attack types of ships. So we've
Mhm.
changed the starting lineup recently, where you only need to focus on attacking. We're not giving you any ships with like information gathering skills to slowly introduce the game to new players. So you can just select your first fleet and then go down
Alright.
there. Yeah, start. And this is the screen where you set up your ship placement.
Can I rotate?
Yeah.
Oh, that was. No.
Or click on the ship. Yeah, sorry.
I was too late. Sorry, I couldn't do it. It's my bad. It's my bad.
Yeah, you because it's you're playing against another player, so we set a time limit for everything, just to make sure that you don't have to wait for too long. Okay, now it's your turn. The first turn, you can't use any of your abilities yet because they're still in cooldown. So you pick a
I
spot
see.
to attack.
Where do you feel? Maybe.
I usually do like near the corner there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
let's go.
something. There we go.
Oh my God, he just used an
He's
ability.
used the ability called Sea Monster. So this is
Here.
this green guy.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sea monster.
Yeah. So if you go
Attacks any 4 tiles at random. So I can use it now as well, right?
yeah, so you can use that one. So it attacks 4 tiles and it removes a kind of a revealed tile from your board. So it makes it a little bit harder for them to remember where your ships might be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now you have
I have another
kayak.
ability.
Yeah, so kayak attacks in 1x2. So
Okay.
basically 2 shots next to one another. So I would say
So I need to use it to
you
like.
have 8 seconds.
Alright.
Quickly.
I should use it to reveal another ship, right? So maybe I.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Yeah, it's
okay.
probably the same ship, right?
It could be
These
this-
one.
Yeah, down there.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no.
They've got your Vikings.
Oh
ship.
no. But I have the Sea Monster again. Should I use it or?
I would say, yeah, use it again.
Oh, my
So the
God.
Sea Monster.
Can it attack the same? Oh yeah. It can
Yeah, it
attack.
can. So the Sea Monster is more useful in the beginning of a match
Mhm.
because it can attack the ones that you've already attacked.
Mhm.
So the earlier the better. Yeah, but now it's your turn again. I would use sailboat, so it's a 1x3 attack.
Mhm.
Use that one. And
Maybe here.
Yeah, let's just
Yeah?
try that. Let's try that.
I'm not even taking a look at the shapes of their ship.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
that
that's
was
another thing
stupid.
to think about. But now I think this one here in the middle
Mhm.
is probably the Sea Monster.
Yeah, here, like
Yeah,
probably this or
yeah.
this, right? Okay.
I would probably use that kayak because
Yeah.
it's like almost dead. So we should probably use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, do
Maybe
that.
here?
Do that. Yeah, do that. Oh no!
Oh my God! It's
the
the
other
other way around.
direction.
Yeah.
It's the other direction. Is this right, or am I mistaken? Even though I played this game since we started developing.
I'm just
it.
gonna do random again. Oh, I'm so unlucky.
No, it's still. That's the nice thing about this game is even when you miss, you're gaining information. So it's not.
I'm
like-
learning. It's like a learning curve, right? I'm learning. I'm
Uh,
learning. But at least I should sunk this one.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
finally,
Okay,
I
so that's probably the same monster.
That was 100% shot, but yeah,
Okay.
obscured. Okay.
I would probably. Okay.
Oh no,
It's alright. It's alright.
I was too greedy.
No, it's good.
Sorry, I just got a little bit angry. You already got 2 ships and I just got 1. So.
No, so the way I normally play is if I have an ability, I tend to use it. I'd probably say, use sailboat.
Okay.
Maybe like you put it in the middle here.
Here.
Okay, we got something. Okay, 2 more ships. So we know that one. The one that we have head must be the square one.
Square one. Here?
Yeah,
Like you think
yeah,
here?
I think that's the one.
It's on cooldown. Okay, I have like, oh my god, I think.
Yeah, I think they got us.
Yeah, there's quite a hard.
Because there's only one direction to go, and they can get us in the next shot.
I hope he gets lagged. No. Alright, GG. GG's.
Good effort.
Yeah, I mean, where's the crying emote? Yes.
Sorry,
That's a nice move. That's a nice move. All right.
That's
cool.
Made some changes recently.
Yeah.
Cool. So,
that's amazing. So I think here I can check out again the battles. Oh yeah, here are they.
So I think we have something like 20 ships, 24 ships.
Wow.
And then we also have some season 1 ships that we will release next year. So the season 1 is all about pirates.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 4 more ships coming from that season, but that will come after the first mobile release.
That's awesome. You already have some. I don't want to be Whitebeard's friend because that destroyed me. So here we have the shop. All right, and then this is probably the. What is Battle Club? Is it the Discord?
Battle Club is a membership.
It's like subscription-based monetization.
Based membership, and it used to be that you get some preview of new ships, and we might still do that. But also you get everything in the shop is discounted. You get access to a special channel where we announce things first. And you also get a second researcher. So if you're trying to climb the research tree, you can go at twice the speed. So that's quite a useful one.
Awesome. All right. So that's quite cool. Where people can play BattleTabs again? It's available, right? And then if you are working on the mobile version, what does it look like?
So you can go to battletabs.io to play the game. The mobile version is still being worked on. We have some mock-ups and previews on Discord. So if you go to Discord, you can find some sort of sneak peek of a new interface. I can show you a little bit here. If you go to the league, so everything is sort of back in beta at the moment because of the mobile release. So we're putting a lot of the new features.
There's some UI changes, I would assume, right?
Yeah, and this is unloading.
Yeah, that's right.
But basically, you can start to see some of the newer, like the UI from the mobile build is going to be more sort of cartoony, big fonts. It'll be more suitable for sort of like a portrait mode.
Cool.
New environments coming in and some things.
That's amazing. Okay, cool. Then that was pretty much a wrap. Today I tried BattleTabs with Brandon and I got destroyed, unfortunately. But guys, I'm still learning, and that's the most beautiful thing about competitive games like this. It's just, I'm gonna say the classic mobile ad quote, easy to play, hard to master, but it is what it is. We need to master this. But I will be better next time.
Yeah, join us in Discord, discuss new strategies, learn a few things from some of the top players. Yeah, I should be doing that actually. BattleTabs community, please help me out. I'll be joining Discord today. Excellent. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and if you want to play BattleTabs or join BattleTabs Discord, the links will be in the description. See you later. Okay, bye.